it. Someone's trying to summon someone, I know something's coming. But I'm running from it, to be standing at the summit and plummet. How come it wasn't what I thought it was it? Too good to be true, have nothing, get it all, but too much of it. Then lose it again, did I swallow hallucinogens? Cause if not, where the hell did it go? Cause here I sit in Lucifer's den, by the touch of it, just choosing to sin. Even if it means I'm selling my soul, just to be the undisputed again. Do whatever I gotta do just to win, cause I got this motherfucking cloud over my head, crown around it, thorns on it, cracks in it, but you morons did it. Think I'd be back, did you? How about that? I'm somehow now back to the underdog, but no matter how loud that I park, the sport is something I never bow out at. I complain about the game, I shout and I pout, it's a love hate, but I found out that I can move a mountain of doubt, even when you bitches are counting me out, and I appear to be down for the count. Only time I ever been out and about is driving around town with my fucking whereabouts in a doubt, cause I've been lost trying to figure what I did to get here, but I'm not a quitter, gotta get up, give it all, I gotta give up. Spit on shit on stepped on, I kept going, I'm trying to be headstrong, but it feels like I slept on my neck wrong. Cause you're moving on to the next, but it's respect gone. Cause someone told me that
Kings never die.
don't give me that sob story lie. Don't preach to the choir. You ain't never even had a reason to fire to dig deep. Nobody ever handed me shit in life, not even a flyer. Wouldn't even take shit into consideration. Obliterate anyone in the way. I think I see why a lot of rappers get on these features and try to show out on a track with me, but it actually has to be a fucking blowout to get me to retire. Tell these new artists the kings never die. I know shit has changed in this age. Fuck a Twitter page, did it to say I've been upstage? Why am I online? It's driving me crazy. I'm riding shotgun, trying to get a gauge. I'm on top, but I'm not gonna conform. But it stays passing this shit in opinions way. I can hear him say, if I stay passionate, maybe I can stage a miraculous comeback as if I went away. But these tracks just say so much. For the renegade, someone's gonna make me blow my composure. Here I go again, center stage, and I feel like I'm in a cage.
Like so what a champion to fall. It's the wonder why I laugh from, cause why can't we win them all?
So fuck what these cynics say.
It just goes to show that when my back's against the wall and I'm under attack again, and I'll act as if I'm posed up
with this pen and rage, cause
all these plaques in my office on the floor stacked against the door, are they just metaphors for the odds of me coming back? I give this all the accomplishments, accolades, awards, and trophies just don't mean jack anymore. If I'm here today and gone tomorrow, and I'm not gonna be
Here to stay, even when I'm gone. When I close my eyes through the passage of time.
I want it, I'm coming to get it, so you son of a bitches don't duck, you're gonna get ridicule. Critics all end up in critical, think your shit is dope, or you're gonna get it smoked. And I ain't stopping till I'm on top again, all alone and on a throne, like a token of respect or a homage poem or an ode I've been owed, tossed in the air by my own arm and launched so hard it broke my collarbone.
and when it's my time to go, I'm still not leaving.
Stop and know what, I don't know, but I've been told an obstacle that blocks your road, knock it over, time to go for that pot of gold, cause
They say kings never die, just as Jan as the J. They just grow wings and they fly, so hands up, reach for the sky. Try to hold up and provoke these moments, cause in the blink of an eye, they'll be over.
trying to secure your legacy like Shakur and ensure nobody's ever gonna be what you were. So before you're leaving this earth, you want people to feel the fury of a pure evil, sir. Evil berserk, deacon the word, syllable genius at work. Plus I'm thinking the third, mistaking my kindness for weakness, filling with meanness. I went from powder milk and farina to flipping burgers on the grill for some peanuts and curious to arenas. Call me Gilbert Arenas, still appeal to the dreamers. I made it to the silver screen, but Rocky still with the themes. Khalil on the beat, cause making the beat ain't the same feeling to me as killing the beat is. So fulfilling to me is what filling the seat is. That sound, vomit, thirst, and how common underground, down and deep, outside of stomach, ground, thriving hunger, out, rhyming everyone. God, just give me one shot. Swear that I won't let you down. I'ma be around forever, entertained, even in the ground. You ain't never ever gonna hear me say I ain't.
Here to stay, even when I'm gone. When I close my eyes through the passage of time. Kings never die.
Alright, bottles on me, long as someone drink it. Never drop the ball, fuck it, y'all thinking. Making sure the young money ship is never sinking. About to set it off in this bitch, Jada Pinkett. I shouldn't have drove, tell me how I'm getting home. You too fine to be laying down in bed alone. I could teach you how to speak my language, Rosetta Stone. I swear this life is like the sweetest thing I've ever known. About to go Thriller, Mike Jackson on these niggas. All I need's a fucking red jacket with some zippers. Super good Smitto, a package of the swishers. I did it overnight, it couldn't happen any quicker. Y'all know them, well fucking me either. We'll point the biggest skeptic out, I make them a believer. It wouldn't be the first time I done it, throwing hundreds, but I should be throwing ones. Bitch, I run it, changes.
Changes. The Red Spider, is that 50 Cent Pop joint ready? Let me know, holla.
It's gonna be some stuff you're gonna see that's gonna make it hard to smile in the future.
Yeah, nigga. Let's go, nigga. This is what it is. Tupac cut his head bald, then you wanna cut your head bald. Pussy, nigga. Tupac wear a bandana, you wanna wear a bandana. Tupac put a cross on his back, you wanna put crosses on your back. Nigga, you ain't Tupac, this Tupac.
Money and women, the funny beginnings, tragic endings. I can make a million and still not get enough for spending. And since my life is based on sinning, I'm hellbound. Rather be buried than be buried if in hell down. My game plan to be trained in military mind of a thug lord sitting in the cemetery crying. I've been lost since my adolescent, calling for Jesus, rolling as a youngster, wondering if he sees us. Young black male, crack sales got me 3 strikes, living in jail. This is hell, enemies die. Wonder when we all pass. Is anybody listening? Got my hands on my semi-shotty. Everybody's pitching, please, God, can you understand me? That's my family. God us all before we fall into insanity. I make it a point to make my beat bump and roll like drop some shit. Daddy, stupid bitches don't shit.
To Machiavelli returns, it's all eyes on me. And you can hate it or love it, but that's what it's gon' be. You should've listened, I told you not to fuck with me. Now can you take the pressure, that's what we gon' see. No sense of crying for mercy, I promise. My success will be the death of you. Lo and behold, you so nigga, there's nothing left of you. Look in the mirror, ask yourself, who are you? If you don't know who you are, how could your dreams come true, motherfucker? I sit back and watch. You pretended to be pop, you pretended to be hot, but you're not. I see it so clear, you can't take the pressure, you pussy. I want you not to push me, see me in chills, run up the spot. God made men the same, boy, but your heart ain't like mine impressed. They look at me like I'm a menace. I was playing with guns while your mama had your broke ass playing tennis. I'm a nightmare, you see me when you dream. Wake up, turn on your TV and see my ass again. You cowardly heart that you couldn't make it on your own. Fuck the sauce, I'm gonna cover a roast stone. To Machiavelli returns, it's all eyes on me. And you can hate it or love it, but that's what it's gon' be. You should've listened, I told you not to fuck with me. Now can you take the pressure, that's what we gon' see. To Machiavelli returns, it's all eyes on me. And you can hate it or love it, but that's what it's gon' be. You should've listened, I told you not to fuck with me. Now can you take the pressure, that's what we gon' see.
Whoa.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh, the master of my sea. Oh, ooh. I was broken from a young age, taking my soak into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took to me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the... Hey, you pick me up, believer. has turned your spirit to a dove. Oh, ooh, your spirit up above. Oh, ooh. I was choking in the crowd, building my rain up in the cloud, falling like ashes to the ground, hoping my feelings they would drown, but they never did. Ever lived, ebbing and flowing, inhibited, limited, till it broke up when it rained down. It rained down like. Hey, you burn me up, believer, believer. Hey, you burn me up, believer, believer. Hey, let the bullets fly, let them rain. My life, my love, my life, it came from. You burn me up, believer, believer. Last days last by the grace of the fire and the flames. You're the face of the future, the blood in my veins. Oh, ooh, the blood in my veins. Oh, ooh. But they never did, ever lived, ebbing and flowing, inhibited, limited, till it broke up when it rained down. It rained down like. You burn me up, believer, believer. You burn me up, believer, believer. Hey, let the bullets fly, let them rain. My life, my love, my life, it came from. You burn me up, believer, believer.
world. Vice of the one big gangzilla alongside Skrillex. Them for no. Ooh-wee. Mash up the place, turn up the bass and make them all have fun. How we ablaze the fire, make it fun them. We mash up the place, turn up the bass and make some sound, boy run. And we will end your week just like a Sunday. We mash up the place, turn up the bass and make them all have fun. Skrillex ablaze the fire, make it fun them. We mash up the place, turn up the bass and make some sound, boy run. And we will end your week just like a Sunday.
Mash up the place.
And make them all have fun. How we ablaze the fire, make it fun them. We mash up the place, turn up the bass and make some sound, boy run. And we will end your week just like a Sunday. We mash up the place, turn up the bass and make them all have fun. Skrillex ablaze the fire, make it fun them. We mash up the place, turn up the bass and make some sound, boy run. And we will end your week just like a Sunday.
me. Yes, I'll be your baby. Yes, I'll be whatever that you tell me when you're ready. Yes, I'll be your girl, forever your lady. You ain't never gotta worry, I'm down for you, baby. Best believe that, when you need that, I'll provide that. You will always have it. I'll be on deck, keep it in check. When you need that, I'ma let you have it. Beating the drum like dum diddy day. I like the dirty rhythm you play. I wanna hear you calling my name like, hey mama, mama, hey mama. Banging the drum like dum diddy day. I know you want it in the worst way. I wanna hear you calling my name like, hey mama, mama, hey mama. Yes, I do the cooking, yes, I do the cleaning. Plus, I keep the nana real sweet for your eating. Yes, you be the boss, and yes, I be respecting whatever that you tell me, cause it's game you be spitting. Oh, best believe that, when you need that, I'll provide that. You will always have it. I'll be on deck, keep it in check. When you need that, I'ma let you have it. Beating my drum like dum diddy day. I like the dirty rhythm you play. I wanna hear you calling my name like, hey mama, mama, hey mama, mama. Banging the drum like dum diddy day. I know you want it in the worst way. I wanna hear you calling my name like, hey mama, mama, hey mama, mama. Whole crew got the juice, your came the truth. My screams is the proof, them other dudes get the juice. So I speed in the coupe, leaving this interview. It ain't nothing new, I've been f***ing with you. None of them niggas ain't taking you, just tell them to make a you, huh? That's how it be, I come first like debut, huh? So baby, when you need that, give me the word, I'm no good, I'll be bad for my baby. Make sure that he's getting his share. Make sure that his baby take care. Make sure I'm on my toes, on my knees, keep him please, rub him down, be a lady and a freak. Oh. Beating my drum like dum diddy day. I like the dirty rhythm you play. I wanna hear you calling my name like, hey mama, mama, hey mama, mama. Banging the drum like dum diddy day. I know you want it in the worst way. I wanna hear you calling my name like, hey mama, mama, hey mama, mama.
Je prends des leçons de vie à chaque jour que Dieu fait. Tire des enseignements après chaque bourde que je fais. Mes lèvres de la firme captent le bien, élève de la vie. Elle suit son cours, moi je suis les siens. J'y apprends quand même de belles choses. J'ai vu des fous frôler le bug, des couteaux, des guns, des battes de baseball. Un monde géré par des escrocs. J'ai cherché justice en Palestine, ils m'ont dit wesh, c'est quoi que tu cherches, gros? Dépité, j'ai mis le pied là où les vrais ont dérivé, où la traîtrise est rentrée VIP. Beaucoup d'hypocrisie en vérité, mieux vaut une mytho qui s'affirme que celle qui porte un masque de sincérité. Oh oh bébé, je reste vigilant, car les pires insultes se cachent souvent derrière les plus beaux compliments. Les joies précèdent souvent des déceptions immenses, car il n'y a pas de gens fidèles, c'est juste les occasions qui manquent. L'art c'est de voir les MC mitonner, marre d'être entouré de faux cul et fesses siliconnées. Depuis que le buzz monte, je revois ce qui me plairait pas, sortir le vernis à pompe et crier oh R-E-E-D-K. Mais c'est comme ça un peu partout. J'ai appris à croire en moi malgré les critiques des jaloux qui disaient qu'on faisait de la merde. Au fait, ils sont où? Aux dernières news, ils se mordaient les doigts. Je pense qu'ils en sont au coude. Du coup, volontairement, je m'isole. Marre des wesh, la famille ou mon ami et des serments d'ivrogne. J'ai appris à rendre fier mes repères depuis que mon poteau a rayé maman, papa de son vocabulaire. De quoi j'ai l'air au milieu de tout ça, d'un colis piégé, d'un gosse que la vie a privilégié. J'apprends à rester modeste, petit. Appelle-moi Kader, dernière REDK, c'est pour le net et les pochettes de
Aussi
disques.
vrai qu'il ne sert à rien de fuir devant la mort. J'ai appris qu'au-delà de la magie, on galère en amour, niggas. Que le contre-coup de l'argent sale, c'est un paquet d'emmerde. Que t'as plus rien à perdre, tu peux tout envoyer en l'air. Que prendre du fer ne remet pas sur le droit chemin. Et qu'on a vite fait choisir entre l'homme et le chien. Que je gamberge trop sur ma vie et que je finirai par en crever. Que cette pute est un combat et qu'elle les laisse la place pour rêver. Que les à tort et à travers ne certifient pas les coups. On s'aime pas de travers et ces bâtards peuvent te briser les côtes. Qu'impunité rimera toujours avec immunité. Que l'exploit nous appartient aussi même si on part diminuer. Qu'aucun conflit ne peut se régler en 10 minutes. Que ok demain c'est loin mais que hier l'est encore plus. Note que chacun de leurs amendements dessert un peu plus. Chaque hiver combien de cadavres on ramasse sous les abribus.
Apprends que la vie est un combat, enfile une paire de gants. Que le regret n'est rien d'autre qu'une perte de temps.
Au royaume des aveugles, seul le borgné est roi. Apprends quand l'arbre et l'écorce, man on ne fout pas les
dramatiques, les grammatrices. Des gars de ma street, fais gaffe ma petite. Ils ont faim de casse ma kill, ils véhiculent. Parce que la vie véhicule des airs de vieille pute. Je ne veille plus sous mon prochain, la confiance ne paye plus. J'ai goûté la trahison, n'est-ce pas Yvan? Qu'est-ce que ça serait en pleine guerre du Vietnam à Saigon? Les Saïvons souffrir comme DJI, prisonniers d'un taliban ou pire comme s'ils étaient à la merci d'un caïman. Dès que t'as le temps, ouvre les livres de l'histoire. Si là tout vient mon manque d'espoir, méfie-toi de ceux qui nous laissent croire. Les chefs d'état ont mis la guerre sur un pédestal. On a peu d'espace dans le parc, faudrait de ma gloire comme ces pédestals. On a trop laissé place, au manque de pesetas. On a promis à la génération future une vie moins exécrable. On demande pas le SLK, juste NC4. Avoir un salaire respectable, mais dans le bâton pour que je puisse.
C'est mort ou esclavage. En temps de guerre, une seule offre de paix. C'est la croissance économique contre le fait de pauvreté. Vœu de chasteté. Que nous trahissons, amalgame et contradiction. Donne religion contre tradition. Que toute la terre brise, rappelle la tête, la pierre brise. C'est fort contre le faible, donc c'est muscle contre matière grise. Arabe ou nègre, lève, écarte tes bras. C'est le silence des mosquées ou le chant des cathédrales. La réalité effondre nos pères. Fiction comme nos rêves. Une guerre appelle une guerre génocidaire contre nos belles. C'est le repentir, car l'erreur est humaine. C'est le bien contre le mal, parce que c'est l'homme contre lui-même. Promoteur tue d'une balle en pleine. Technologie veut nous faire perdre nos logis. C'est archaïsme contre technologie, raison contre orgueil. C'est les morts que compte abaisse. C'est savoir ou ignorance, que c'est Iman contre un bestial. Après gaspillage, la France fout des parités. Jouer avec de la bouffe, c'est gaspillage contre précarité.
Le crime paye, te fait payer tes erreurs. Leur dire le contraire, c'est comme prétendre qu'un musulman peut être un receleur.
Every ounce of my blood, with every breath in my lungs, won't stop until I'm phenomenal. However long it takes, I'll go to whatever lengths. It's gonna make me a monster though, but I'm never sane. So
Unstoppable, unpoppable thought bubbles, untoppable thoughts, fucking juggernaut that'll stomp you in the verse. Obstacles I'm drawn to them when they're going got off. Some of what I done fought was the worst. Little sissy, who the fuck taught you how to persevere? There ain't no situation that you ever had to respond to that's adverse. Messiest thing you've ever gone through is your purse. Yeah, I don't try like hell, and I might as well hang it up like a shell. Gotta keep wrong with it evolve, cause you can keep throwing shit at the wall, but you're gonna find that nothing's gonna stick until you apply yourself. Time to slip in that zone till I find myself inside the realm of the unknown and boldly go in the waters where nobody else has gone before or willing to go uncharted. Feeling it so calm, I'm feeling myself. I'm a giant sometimes I gotta remind myself that I am phenomenal.
with every ounce of my blood, with every breath in my lungs, won't stop until I'm phenomenal. However long it takes, I'll go to whatever lengths. It's gonna make me a monster though, but I'm never sane. So
and they're trying to clown the fuck out of you. When you feel like you're running out of fuel, I show you how to use doubt as fuel. Convert it to gunpowder too. Now what you do is put the match to the charcoal fluid. Put the spark to it like Martha Stewart barbecue. And screw it. Feel like you wanna hit that wall, then do it. Punch through it, just cock back, put your all into it. Now, you gon' take that range and make that what you raise. Never take back what you say. If you stay strapped in your brain, engaged in a steel cage match, ready to scrap face. Take your fist in the spot. Shoulders big and the smallest. You're Christopher Wallace. Now picture them all as plastic and foam that lays flat. When you put your dinner plates at and set it on them like a placemat. I am phenomenal. And I want you to say that.
With every breath in my lungs, won't stop until I'm phenomenal.
I am phenomenal.
However long it takes, I'll go to whatever lengths. It's gonna make me a monster though. But I'm never same. So
mouth with no shut up valve. Can't even cut up power to it, but it's what allowed me to come up out from under the fucking ground. Cause I work my butt up now. It's a subject that I don't know how to shut up about. Cause I stuck it out like a motherfucking tongue that's how I responded when I got shoved around. You're gonna have non-believers, but when you're beyond belief, you probably shouldn't wonder how. Get it how you live, but are you prepared to give more than you get? And put in twice what you get back from the shit. So what you sacrifice barely is half, never give. Rap is my shift, but it's like my shield. At the same time I wield and my knife is will. Sometimes I feel just like Be Real from Cypress Hill. How I could just kill a cipher, survivor's guilt. I rhyme like life is still an uphill climb. Ready to face any challenge, waiting can taste it. It's salivation, I wage retaliation. Look what I have built. Reputation is validation. The only thing I'm capable of making is amazing. Only thing you're capable of making is a false statement of accusation. I'm legendary status. In fact, that is the only way you'll ever be able to say your legend is making an allegation. I write with the left, same hand I hold the mic with as I fight to the death, to my last breath. Man, it's to prove who the best man is. Prevail at all costs, be the only one left standing in the end. But I ain't gonna be the only one with the advantage of knowing what it's like to be southpaw. Cause you can bet your ass you'll be left-handed. Cause I am
with every ounce of my blood, with every breath in my lungs, won't stop until I'm phenomenal. However long it takes, I'll go to whatever lengths. It's gonna make me a monster though. But I'm never same. So
had the answers for street cancers. We call that the hammer dancers. That's the 357 out of feds want us. Cause we led dumping headhunters. Brought with every hood in this crime life. My name painted on the block wall is limelight. A G ain't nothing but a letter you can hang, man. In these gang wars throughout the ganglands. Got no problem with hurting the jerk. My motto was murking them first. What they say, the surfing they turf. With no seafood, make them see through. I'm in a snapping niggas next, nigga, me too.
My elimination's way too hasty. They don't chase me. I send more red dots than pastries. When the medal is swung, label me the desolate one. It ain't no settling beef. I'm destined to come to any hood. It ain't no justice. You wishing it was. This crime life got me stealing your goods. I'm a mental patient on the way to the central station. Ain't no wasting time, and I'm sure ain't facing time. Breaker 19. The Norks be swarming on they walkie-talkie, trying to block me with a warning. I'ma disappear like Spawn and be gone into the other side of the country by the morning.
Now when you rapping in these streets, say it. And if you're handling your beat, say it. You got your hood on lock, say it. If it's crime on your block, say it. Now when you rapping in these streets, say it. And if you're handling your beat, say it. You got your hood on lock, say it. If it's crime on your block, say it.
Cold nights
nights in the pen turn a heart cold. Cold benches we sleep on, keep our back strong. My brother told me, little homie, don't get this wrong. If I get locked, make sure you keep the dough flowing. The spot's owing, no slowing, get your grind on. I said for sure, and now you know I got the hood sold. My little bro keep up the front like he the one to own. By the time they figure out, I'll be dead and gone.
Now be careful when you see them homies hop out that ride, or you can catch a body shot and knock your ribs out your side. And the cops are hesitant to come through these bars here. We headhunters, so it's evident that we spark fear. Took a note to always give it to a person in need of a serious chin checking and recursing indeed. To get our point across, clearly ain't no misunderstandings. Now it's nothing you can do to keep these missiles from landing. When the hooligans come out, you should be running for cover. By the time you recover from a hit, then here comes another. And you know our presence is felt like Christmas Eve. Make an example out of you for her and his to see, boy.
Come to your car window, you and your boys get out. AK, Tech 9, shots ring out. It's Christmas time, my kid needs some toys. That's why I'm in the minivan with two of my boys. The king, nigga, I'm a dime. Detroit, where niggas snatch Cardis and now Passan. I'm drunk as go knock me out. And when I wake up, I be at your house talking you out. I'm so out of my mind. A Muslim that eats swine, sniff 2.5 lines. Street wars, my niggas ready to fight. Guns, pipes, we ready to nut.
Now when you rapping in these streets, say it. And if you're handling your beat, say it. You got your hood on lock, say it. If it's crime on your block, say it.